magic. It's a skill us old guys learn. There we are. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just showing you the beer I usually drink. I mean, the last time I got a Foster's, it didn't taste right. It tasted like Budweiser. And, don't get me wrong, Budweiser is a good beer. But when I buy Foster's, I want that nutty, creamy aftertaste in the back of my tongue at each sip.
Try using your damn lip can on your back and hurt less because
I'm afraid. I really am afraid to get a bottle of Guinness Extra Stout. I'm afraid someone will listen to the Simpsons and will make up some counterfeit Guinness. 2 ingredients. If you know which episode of The Simpsons I'm talking about, then you know what the 2 ingredients that are supposed to be. And apparently the Democrats are saying, if you aren't screaming before the end of the first hour tomorrow, you're dead. There's no connection between your ears and the brain because the blood's not flowing. The neurons aren't firing. They're just waiting for the meat wagon to pick your ass up.